So here we are downtown Detroit. We're going to see the Red Wings play hockey against the Colorado Avalanche. Yeah, this is what downtown Detroit looks like, always under construction. Okay, so we just parked the vehicle.
Yeah, from Puerto Rico to this.
We went in that lot across the street, which is where we usually go. And they wanted 33 bucks. That's a little BS, a little high for me. So we came here and it's $10. So we're happening. So this is downtown Detroit. And we're going to a Red Wings hockey game. I'm going this way. There's Fish Bones, good restaurant. O'Shillelagh's been around forever. Irish bar. It's not that cold out here.
It is. My legs are freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow, what is with this construction? This construction is crazy. They got the whole downtown closed off. Yeah, there's always people sleeping there. Welcome to Detroit.
yeah. Good, how are you?
I took your food off and I gave you the last round of the house.
Okay, thank you.
Attendance, Eric. Where's our shuttle? He should be here any second.
So you're the proverbial I know a guy.
All right. Let's go. Ready?
Going on the ice.
So she stayed home. She doesn't want to come down and see me. I know the last couple of days.
All right, Hockey Town, welcome to Little Caesars Arena for a rivalry renewed tonight against the Colorado Avalanche. Hey, Hockey Town, please welcome